Hello dear class and students, I hope you all are studying well. So today we are going to start lesson number 12 of this chapter Light. So guys, in this lesson number 12, we are going to discuss some problems. Now let us solve some questions of type B. So these problems will be based on the magnification formula. So I hope tumalike magnification of formula to jana. Yes, it is m equal to h2 by h1 which is equal to v by u. Okay, now let us see the first question. An object 6 cm tall is placed in front of a convex lens, okay, at a distance of 18 cm. If the image is formed at a distance of 9 cm on the other side of the lens, then find the height of the image. Okay guys, eta tumalike ray diagram to choa. So AB to hoise object. Eta object or height kiman dia ase 6 cm. Our object distance dia ase 18 cm. Right. Our question to ki dia hoye ase image distance. So image distance to hoise 9 cm. Etia ami uliabo lagibo image tur height. So you have to find out the height of the image. Easy one, right? So now see here, we are given object height, that is h1 equal to 6 cm, object distance u equal to minus 18 cm, and image distance v equal to 9 cm. So you have to find the height of the image, that is the value for h2, and also find the nature of the image. Okay? So etia ami directly magnification of formula to use korile image or height to pai jam. Etia solution to soa h2 equal to v into h1 by u. Therefore h2 equal to 9 into 6 by minus 18. Right? Now do the calculation. So we will get h2 equal to minus 3 cm. So the image height is 3 cm and the nature of the image is inverted. So image or height to hoise 3 cm tall or image to ulta ke form hoise. As you can see here, it is inverted. Okay guys, etia next question to soa. An object 10 cm tall is placed in front of a convex lens at a distance of 30 cm. If the image is formed at a distance of 5 cm on the other side of the lens, then find the height of the image. Well, this question is just similar to the first one, right? I hope you can try by yourself. Etia soa question to ki dia hoy ase. So AB to hoise object, aru object or height dia ase 10 cm, right? Aru convex lens konor pra object to kiman to distance ot ase 30 cm. Aru ki dia hoy ase image distance. So image distance to hoise 5 cm. Now you have to find out the height of the image. So etia ami uliabo lagibo image or height to. Easy, right? Now see here, we are given object height h1 equal to 10 cm, object distance u equal to minus 30 cm, and image distance v equal to 5 cm. So you have to find out the image height and also find the nature of the image. Okay, so here we will use the magnification formula only, that is m equal to h1 by h2 which is equal to v by u. Now see the solution here. So h2 equal to v into h1 by u. Now by putting the values of v, h1 and u, that is 5 into 10 by minus 30 respectively. Now by cancelling it, we will get image of the height h2 equal to minus 1.67 cm. So image or height to hoise 1.67 cm. Aru jehetu negative sign ase, he karone image to ulta ke form hobo. So the nature of the image is inverted. So I hope you all understood. Great. Now let us solve some questions of type C. So these problems will be based on the lens formula, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. And also we will use the magnification formula. Okay. Now let us see the first question. A 5 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 50 cm. Okay. The distance of the object from the axis is 10 cm. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also you have to find its magnification. Okay, so this is an interesting question. Etia soa question to ki dia hoy ase. So AB to hoise object. Etia object or height dia ase 5 cm. Right? Aru focal length dia ase convex lens konor 50 cm. আৰু কোৱেশ্চনটোত কি দিয়া হৈ আছে চোৱা সো অবজেক্ট ডিসটেন্স দিয়া আছে 10 cm এতিয়া আমি উলিয়াব লাগিব ইমেজটোৰ নেচাৰ পজিশন আৰু সাইজটো লগতে আমি ম্যাগনিফিকেশনটো উলিয়াব লাগিব ঠিক আছে এতিয়া চোৱা কোৱেশ্চনটো ইমান টাফ নহয় জাস্ট তোমালোকে ফৰ্মুলাটো এপ্লাই কৰিলে এনসাৰটো পাই যাবা Okay, let me help you out. So see here, we are given height of the object that is h1 equal to 5 cm, focal length f equal to 50 cm, and object distance is given u equal to minus 10 cm. So now we have to find image position that is the value for v, height of the image that is h2, and also you have to find out the nature of the image. Okay. And after that you have to find the magnification. Clear everyone? So you have to find these four values. So here we will be using the formula, the length formula that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. You all know this, right? And then we will use the magnification formula for finding out the magnification. That is m equal to h1 by h2 equal to v by u. So all you need to know is this two formulae. Alright guys, now let us see the solution. So first today ami image distance to uliam, thik ase? So 1 by v equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Etia f aru u value gita put kora, that is 50 aru minus 10 respectively. Now do the calculation. So after doing it, we will get height image distance that is v equal to minus 50 by 4. Therefore v equal to minus 12.5 centimeter. So image to object to thoka same side at a form hobo at a distance of 12.5 cm. Clear everyone? Etia next so image or height to uliabole hole ami a magnification formula to use korim. Therefore h2 equal to v into h1 by u. Etia ami jano je v value to hoise minus 12.5 aru object height dia ase 5 cm aru object distance dia ase minus 10. Now do the calculation. Therefore h2 equal to minus 12.5 by minus 2, which is equal to 6.25 cm. So the height of the image is 6.25 cm and it is erect. Etia soa jehetu image or height to positive 6.25, so ei karone image to sidhake form hobo. Thik ase? Etia soa magnification uliabor karone ami etu formula use korim. That is m equal to v by u. So iti ami janu je v value to hoise minus 12.5 aru u value to hoise minus 10. Therefore m equal to 1.25. Iti ami janu je magnification or value to jodi 1 otke dangor hoy tetia image to magnified hoy. Right? Therefore the image is magnified. So I hope there is no doubt. Now let us see question number 2. A 3 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 15 cm. Okay, the distance of the object from the axis is 18 cm. Now find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. So a question to last question or logot similar, right? So guys, solution to swar agot tumaluke nije try koribole saba. Okay? Etia ray diagram to swa. So question to ki dia hoy ase AB to hoise object aru object or height dia ase 3 cm, right? Aru convex lens konor focal length dia ase 15 cm aru object distance dia ase 18 cm. So itia question to ki uliabo lagibo nature, position and size of the image. Also you have to find its magnification. I hope this is an easy question. You just have to apply these two formula. So itia soa ki dia ase object height h1 equal to 3 cm, focal length f equal to 15 cm and object distance u equal to minus 18 cm. So you have to find the position of the image, that is the value for v, height of the image, nature of the image and magnification. Okay? Etia image or position to uliabor karone kuntu formula use koriba? Yes, the length formula. That is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Aru image or height aru magnification or karone ami magnification formula to use korim. Thik ase? Etia solution to swa. So image position to uliabor karone ami a length formula to use korisu. Therefore 1 by v equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. এতিয়া focal length to কিমান দিয়া আছে 15 cm আৰু object distance দিয়া আছে -18. So now do the calculation. So we will get image distance, that is v equal to 90 cm. So the image is formed at 90 cm on the other side of the lens. এতিয়া image to 90 cm distance at lens khonor hitu side form hobo. Alright guys, এতিয়া image or height to উলিয়াবলে হলে আমি magnification formula to use কৰিম. Therefore h2 equal to v into h1 by u. এতিয়া v2 হৈছে 90 cm, h1 দিয়া আছে 3 cm আৰু u value to হৈছে -18. Therefore h2 equal to -15 cm. Therefore the height of the image is -15 cm and it is inverted. এতিয়া চোৱা যিহেতু ইমেজৰ height to -15 cm, so এই কাৰণে ইমেজটো উল্টাকে ফৰ্ম হ'ব. Okay? এতিয়া magnification to হৈছে m equal to v by u. So v value to হৈছে 90 cm আৰু u value to হৈছে -18 cm. Therefore magnification equal to -5. এতিয়া চোৱা যিহেতু magnificationৰ value to 1 তকে সৰু, তেতিয়া ইমেজটো সৰু হয়. Therefore the image is 5 times smaller. Now see here, this negative sign it shows that the image is inverted. Okay guys, now let us see the third question. An object 5 cm high is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Find the position, size and nature of the image formed. Also draw the ray diagram. Okay, so a question to easy hoy. Etia soa ki dia ase question tut. So object height h1 dia ase 5 cm. Right, our object distance dia ase u equal to -25 cm. এতিয়া তোমালোকে কোৱেশ্চনটো যদি ভালকে পঢ়িছা তেতিয়া গম পাবা যে এই কোৱেশ্চনটোত লেন্সখন হৈছে কনভাৰ্জিং লেন্স. সো আমি জানো যে কনভাৰ্জিং লেন্সখন হৈছে কনভেক্স লেন্স. সো বেসিক্যালি কনভেক্স লেন্সখনৰ ফোকেল লেংথটো হৈছে 10 cm আৰু কনভেক্স লেন্সৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ফোকেল লেংথটো সদায় পজিটিভ হয়. এতিয়া তোমালোকে কি উলিয়াব লাগিব? Basically the position, size and nature of the image, and also you have to draw the ray diagram. So ita solution to soa. So first tote ami lens formula to use korile image distance to pai jam. Therefore 1 by v equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Therefore etia focal length to kiman dia ase 10 cm aru object distance dia ase -25. Now do the calculation. So after doing it, we got image distance v equal to 16.67 cm. So the image is formed at a distance of 16.67 cm on the other side of the lens. So etia image to lens khonor hitu side 16.67 distance at form hobo. Thik ase? Etia image or size to uliabole hole ami a magnification formula to use koribo laibo. Right? Therefore h2 equal to v into h1 by u. Etia v value to ami kiman palo 16.67. Our object height h1 already dia ase 5 cm. Our object distance dia ase -25. Therefore h2 equal to -3.33 cm. Therefore the image is 3.33 cm high. Ete image or height to hoise 3.33 cm. Aru juntu image form hoise he image or nature to hoise real aru inverted. Jihetu image tut negative sign to ahise image or height tut he karne image to ulta ke form hobo. Am I clear everyone? Okay guys, now try to draw the ray diagram by yourself. Now let us see the last question. A concave lens has focal length of 15 cm. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 cm from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Okay guys, etia question tut ki dia hoy ase soa. So first tote question tut lens khon dia ase concave lens. Etia ami janu je concave lens ot jetia image to form hoy, he image to hodai virtual aru erect hoy. Aru image to object to thoka same side ote form hoy. Right? Etia soa ki dia ase image distance dia ase v equal to -10 cm. Aru tumaloke monot rakhiba concave lens or khetrot image distance to hodai negative hoy. Am I clear? Etia soa jihetu concave lens, so concave lens or khetrot focal length to negative hoy. Therefore f equal to minus 15 cm. এতিয়া কোৱেশ্চনটোত কি উলিয়াবলৈ দিছে? So basically you have to find the object distance, that is the value for u, and also you have to find the magnification. Okay guys, now can you try by yourself? Okay, let me help you. So এতিয়া ফাৰ্ষ্টতে আমি object distance উলিয়াবৰ কাৰণে lens formula to use কৰিম. Therefore 1 by u equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. এতিয়া v value to কিমান দিয়া আছে? minus 10 cm আৰু f ৰ value to হৈছে minus 15. So calculate কৰাৰ পিছত আমি object distance পাম u equal to minus 30 cm. So basically object to concave lens খনৰ পৰা 30 cm distance ত আছে. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া next magnification to উলিয়াবৰ কাৰণে আমি magnification formula to use কৰিম. That is m equal to v by u. এতিয়া v value to কিমান দিয়া আছে? minus 10 cm আৰু u value to আমি কিমান পালো? minus 30 cm. Right? So এতিয়া minus minus cancel হৈ যাব. Therefore magnification m equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to positive 0.33. এতিয়া যেহেতু magnification or value to 1 কে হৰু, so হেকাৰণে image to object কে হৰু হ'ব. So basically image to object or size কে 1/3 হ'ব. ঠিক আছে? আৰু এতিয়া সোৱা যেহেতু magnification ত আমি positive sign to পাইছো, so হেকাৰণে image or nature to হৈছে erect আৰু virtual. Basically image to সিধাকে form হ'ব. Well guys, তোমালোকে এই ray diagram or problem সমূহ solve কৰোতে sign convention or ক্ষেত্ৰত extra careful হ'ব লাগিব. Am I clear everyone? আৰু তোমালোকৰ যদি কিবা doubt থাকে, তোমালোকে আমাৰ comment sectionত সুধিব পাৰা. So guys, তোমালোকে আমাৰ completed chapters সমূহৰ যদি notes সমূহ লাগে, তেনেহলে আমাৰ এটা official WhatsApp group আছে. So সেই WhatsApp group to তোমালোকে join হৈ লবা. So যদি হে join হোৱা নাই, join হ'বলৈ হলে description boxত এটা official WhatsApp number দিয়া আছে. সেই numberটো তোমালোকে এটা text কৰি দিলে গ্ৰুপটোত add কৰাই দিয়া হ'ব. Clear everyone? Okay guys, so we are done for lesson number 12. Thank you.